Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be what's in my suitcase. So I'm gonna get started right away because I have a lot of crap that's coming with me on my next trip. So we're gonna start off with my suitcase. So this bag is the Moonlight bag from American Tourister. I've had it for about 2 years now and it's great. It's a hard case, so it has both sides that you pack in and it expands. And then I have this great little luggage tag by Sarah Miller. So yeah, we're gonna put that over there for now because it's heavy. I'm not gonna go through everything that's gonna be packed in my suitcase because there's a lot of it and it'll actually be a wonder if I can fit it all in, but I'm gonna show you some of the more fun stuff that I'm bringing along with me. First up, we've got this great skirt. It's just from Topshop. Great colors you'll see in my little haul here. And then we've just got some classic denim shorts for the beach and for hiking. Oh, I'm going to Thailand and Dubai. I didn't say that. So I'm going to Thailand and Dubai for about 13 days and I'm really excited. So I just really honestly can't wait for the sunshine. I got this skirt from Net-a-Porter on one of their big sales. I got it for like 80% off. It's great. Continuing along, I've got this jean skirt from Zara. It has some little stripes down the side. It's great with just like a plain white tank top. I've got this. This is one of my favorite shirts. It's from Zara as well. It's got these great little tassels. I usually pair that with that green skirt. So we have that. And then I have this yellow tank. It's got this cute little cross in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm excited to wear that. I have the tan. Moving right along. This is my favorite wrap dress. It's a little bit short, so what I have to do before I wear it is stand like this and do that because I put it in the dryer once by accident, so it shrunk a little bit. And it's like the crepey material, so unfortunately that's what happened with that. But it still fits and it still looks awesome. And now we get some new clothes that I haven't worn ever. So this is a great little wrap dress by Band of Gypsies and I'm really pumped to wear this at night at our resort. It's a really pretty dress and it's so fun on the bottom. So fluttery. And then also I got this great skirt. So because we're traveling to Thailand, you need to cover your knees and your shoulders when you go into a temple. So I usually bring just a scarf for my shoulders because it's too hot to wear like anything other than tank top. To cover your knees, this is a great little flowy skirt. So it's appropriate to walk inside. You don't have to put on any like rented garb or anything like that. This is another Band of Gypsies number. It is a maxi skirt. It's a little bit long on me, but I don't really mind having to hold it with my hand for a bit, but that'll be great for Dubai because in Dubai you want to walk around with your body covered. This is also Band of Gypsies. I think you can see a trend. I really like their clothes. This is another maxi dress. It'll be really pretty at night, again with a tan. And then I got this great basic dress last year and it's just a black maxi and it's from Know the Origin and it's just like a plain black maxi and it is from a sustainable clothing company, so it's also one of the most comfortable things I've ever worn. I've got this cute little dress to wear maybe on a rooftop in Bangkok. And then I have this Band of Gypsies dress that ties in the back. I'm a little like mixed feelings about it because I don't know if it makes me look a little frumpy or not. But I figure, you know, flowy, loose clothing is really good when it's humid outside. So I'll either wear this walking around Bangkok or to the beach. This is one of my favorite dresses. It ties in the front. So let's tie that in the front so you can see what it actually looks like. So yeah, it just ties in the front like that. It's from Topshop. Great dress I bought last year for the summertime. Honestly, like I forgot that I had so many of these clothes because it's been freezing outside and I've got a little beach cover-up situation here. Just got like this open back. And then this is my favorite purchase that I made for this trip. I needed clothes for Dubai. So this is a gorgeous hot pink midi dress. Sorry, it's a hot pink midi dress, and it is so pretty. It has little black flowers on it, and I just love the color, and I think it would actually look great with this denim jacket and my white Allbirds. Oh, and that's from New Look. This is from Missguided, and it is another midi dress, and I think it'd be really nice, again, with a tan, and at night it buttons up the front. It's just a very flattering dress. It's really pretty. I'm gonna wear it all the time when I get back into London too. This one I'm not, no, and that's Missguided. This one is also Missguided, and I don't know if I'm misguided by having it, but I am staying at a resort called Robinson, and they have like an all white night, so I needed a white dress that wasn't see-through, but of course the white night's on our first night there, so I'm gonna be a little bit pale in a white dress. We're going to go to the desert one day, so I figured that pants were probably better. So I'm not gonna undo these because they're folded perfectly, but they're just like striped black and white linen pants. I think that they'll just be better to walk around the desert than in like a flowing dress where it's blowing away in the wind. And then I just like to bring some shirts like this to cover up from the beach with jean shorts. Got another cover up. This is from Alari, and it's really nice detail on the bottom, a nice little fringe and great little pattern on it. Again, that's just perfect to throw on like if you're walking from your room to the beach. I brought a chambray so that I could put something in my purse to cover myself up when I'm walking around if I need to. Now getting to the good part, the bathing suit. So this is my favorite bathing suit in the world. It is from Forever 21, and everyone always thinks it's Mara Hoffman, but it's from Forever 21 from like 3 years ago, and I love it. And then I bought this one last year from And Other Stories, and it's just such a nice red. It's like my Baywatch bathing suit. I love it. I also got this great top by Simply Beach. It's great because it has underwire, and it's a real bra size, and I have a pretty big boob, so that's important. It fits really nicely. I don't have a dedicated bottom to it, but I figured that it would go well enough with this bottom, which is a Joe Severin for Simply Beach exclusive. It's very pretty. It's got these like gold tassel details, and it comes with this great top as well. My only thing about this bathing suit is that the tops run really, really small. I ordered my regular size and it didn't cover anything, so I ended up getting the biggest size actually. So I wear a 34D in bras, and I needed a size 14 in that bikini top. And then this is the one that I'm actually the most excited about. It's just a really great color, and it's got these little cutouts, these ring cutouts. This is by Banana Moon. It's also from Simply Beach, but the top is the real winner. Ooh. It's just so cute. And it also has ring details on the sides. So I also got this great straw bag from H&M, and it can fit my camera and my GoPro in here pretty well, so I figured it'd be perfect to walk around with. I'll show you everything that's going in my bag because I don't really think you need to see like my underwear and workout clothes, but I have a few other shirts, a little more bathing suits that are not that exciting to look at, my packing cubes over here, and my carry-on and toiletries. So I'm gonna get packing. So thank you for watching my video. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button. I'll have more videos coming to you from my trip in Thailand and Dubai. So stay tuned for those. Got a lot of exciting things coming up, and I can't wait to be back. Bye.